Meet the Comment Manager, part of the text-to-table converter add-on for Google Docs and Sheets. Let's tame this document. Don't have the add-on yet? It's a quick one-time setup. Find Text-to-Table Converter on the Google Workspace Marketplace. Click Install and approve the permissions. From then on, it's always right there in your Extensions menu. Here's a document buried in comments. Open Manage Comments from the Extensions menu, and every comment thread lands in one tidy list. Find exactly what you need. Search the text, filter by author, or show only open or resolved threads. Now the magic. Select everything, hit Resolve, and the whole backlog is done in one click. You can also post the same reply to every selected thread at once. Perfect for a quick please re-review. For reporting, export everything to a new Google Sheet. Comments, replies, and deep links straight back to each spot in the document. And when you need a clean slate, bulk delete removes entire threads, with a confirmation first, because this one is permanent. The Comment Manager works in both Docs and Sheets. The export includes every reply with deep links, and tracked suggestions are never touched. Try the Comment Manager today. Text-to-table converter. Supercharge your workspace.